Hey, so you're trying to get moving, you're shopping for a new fitness tracker? Fitbit has got a bunch of new ones that just arrived. The Fitbit Inspire, the Inspire HR, the Fitbit Versa Lite, and a kid one, the Fitbit Ace 2. What are they about? Basically, lower prices, new colors. Let's run them down. I'll tell you what they're all about. So let's dive in. The Fitbit Versa Lite Edition is basically a lot like the one that came out last year, which was great. It has apps, it has a color screen, $160, the other one is $200. You're giving up a couple of features. You're not gonna have onboard music storage, you're not gonna have Wi-Fi, you're not gonna have stair climbing. It doesn't have Fitbit Coach, if you like Fitbit Coach. And those are the pretty big ones. But if you're looking for apps, if you're looking for the heart rate, waterproof for swimming, all of that stuff, it's on here, and at that price it's a lot more competitive potentially to a lot of people looking for watches that are suddenly dropping well below $200. Now the Fitbit Inspire and Inspire HR are replacing a whole bunch of trackers that Fitbit had that weren't smartwatches. So if you ever heard of the Flex or the Zip, or you've heard of Alta or Alta HR, those are gone. There's this watch, or this tracker, but it's basically like a watch. It gets notifications, you can swim with it. It's $70 for the one without heart rate, $100 for the one with heart rate, which is pretty competitive and less than the previous versions with heart rate were. It's also swim proof this time, so you can track swimming. You can have a clip that attaches to this that allows it to track steps on your belt, kind of like the old Fitbit Zip, but that's only for the model without a heart rate, not the one with heart rate. And this doesn't download apps, it doesn't download a whole variety of new watch faces like the Versa can, but for a basic fitness tracker, perfectly fine, and it has a side button, something that the Alta and Alta HR didn't. There's also a kids version of this that's coming out that's literally the same band, but with a new impact-proof silicone design called the Fitbit Ace 2. $70 as well, no heart rate. It has algorithms on there that are designed for kids, and it tracks kids ages 6 and up, which is different than the previous version, which was for kids 8 and up. Just like with other Fitbits, there's also a bunch of new straps for the Inspire HR. There are metal mesh ones, there are leather ones, there are some pretty cool woven ones for the Versa that have a rubberized inside as well as a woven outside, like the one I'm wearing right here. That's just a quick look at Fitbit's new lineup. We'll be back with full reviews soon on CNET.